Hi everybody, it's Brett Thomas with Creamy Soaps, and I just wanted to show another use for the linseed and orange oil soap. So I discovered this recently. So I have a bottle here, about 15 to 1 I think, mixed up. Anyways, so this is just, you know, a dirty coffee mug that gets sent into the dishwasher and used and doesn't get scrubbed too much. But these were like the worst ones. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how well this cleans. So, you know, usually I'm just using my fingers here, like no scouring pad, but usually, you know, in the past I've used like, you know, Comet or Ajax or maybe Barkeeper's Friend or something like that. But you can see it's coming off pretty easy. Just I know it's kind of embarrassing, like how dirty these get. I mean, that we've allowed them to get, that is. Anyways, I'm just using my hand. I guess I already said that, but anyways, let me rinse it. I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. Maybe not 100%, but much better. And that's just kind of like before. I know it's crazy. And then after, let me go one more timer on it and see if I can get a little bit cleaner. This time I'm using my little glass scrubber. Mix up. Okay, so much better. It's maybe not 100%, but this is a coffee mug that gets used every single day, and so it's maybe a little bit stained, but again, it really, you know, without scrubbing, see if I can get it. I think that's pretty amazing how, I mean, it's just soap, you know, it's not anything like any kind of harsh, you know, chemical. Well, this one's really bad too. I'm not going to say who just puts them right into the dishwasher without giving them a bit of a scrub. But boy, this one's, let me give it a scrub. This has like the coarse end on it for getting the bottom. Okay, so this time I brought out the scrubber and sprayed it down, and that was super easy. I even went over this one more time, and it's a little bit better, but you know, it's not 100% as you can see. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Anyways, thanks for watching.